cameras.
Hello, fans of Hennessey. Welcome to another great video. My name is Alex. We are on the Pennzoil Proving Ground test track. We have a bone stock RAM TRX. It's a Hellcat-powered 6.2 liter V8 supercharged all-wheel drive truck. They launch really hard. They are heavy in comparison to our two-door supercharged F-150. It's equipped with our VENOM 775 package as well as this Legend Edition livery. It's really fun in two-wheel drive because you can play around with it, but also if you put it in 4 high, you can actually launch it. And that's what we're going to do today. We're going to compare it directly against this all-wheel drive launching monster of a truck, the RAM TRX. And of course, we can modify the RAM TRX to be the Mammoth 1000. But depending on what you like, what your preferences are, you might want an F-150. And these trucks are no slouch. This truck in particular is actually going to be sold through our partner, United Cars Almada. They're one of our dealers, and you should check out their info in the link below. So this one's ready to roll, and the TRX is just starting out, and it's going to be a Mammoth 1000. It's going to be ridiculously fast when it's done. But for now, we're going to be testing both of these, making sure they're both good to go, and just comparing them. So here we go. Okay, I'm ready.
I'm ready as well.
This thing is ridiculous.
Doing 100, and he's walking away from me.
I mean, when you put it in 4 high, it just rips off the line. I didn't really rev it up or anything.
That F-150 really rolls out, but that thing is insanely fast. It keeps on pulling well over 100 miles an hour.
In a sports car like a Mustang or a GT350 Camaro, you know you're going to be driving fast. It makes sense to drive fast in a car like that. In a truck, it makes a lot less sense. And our sport package, which this truck is equipped with, it has a lowered suspension and it drives really nice and it hooks up and it's tight around corners and it drives a lot like a sports car. It just blows you away. It's so visceral. That sense of speed is so much more raw. And with our exhaust system, it sounds unbelievable.
Man, I need to take out the passenger seat, take out the spare tire.
Aaron, I'm going to give you the hit this time, so we're going to go on your movement, and I am ready.
Sounds good. I'm ready too. Roll the cameras. Single cab F-150 did beat this stock 2022 TRX. However, we also have a solution to that problem. I'm looking forward to seeing this vehicle modified and giving it to our customer as soon as possible.
The Mammoth 1000 that TRX is going to be stupid fast. All of our packages do come with a warranty, so if you have a truck, you want to modify a truck, give us a call today. You won't be disappointed. And make sure you hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for all of the Hennessey content coming up.
Thank you guys for tuning in and see you next time.